Good morning, guys. It's Dallas of the Chat and the Chew. I have McDonald's. It's the morning. Why not film a little something and chit chat while I'm waiting to start working? So I said I have McDonald's. I got a sausage and egg McMuffin. Yes, sausage McMuffin with egg. And I got hash brown, I got orange juice, and I got coffee. I like to get them both. Get started chit-chatting. How are you guys? Are you back to work yet? Y'all know I've been back to work. I'm starting to find a bit of normalcy. Even in the whole chaos of wearing masks everywhere and people not wearing them, and I'm starting to find a little bit of normalcy. And here we have the hash brown. The McDonald's hash brown never disappoints. It's always consistent. As long as it's fresh, and it should be because they made me wait for it. I am in the parking lot. I'm outside the market. They're open this early? Oh, it's 8:02. They probably opened at 8. So I'm people watching, car watching, and eating breakfast. Because I have a whole hour before my first appointment. Yeah, but are you back to work yet? I don't know, so a lot of people still are not back to work. A lot of my friends never stopped working. They're working from home. The rest of them are never stopped working and they've been out working. Me, I'm one of the only ones that went back to work. Like, that went from being on quarantine to back to work. Like I said, starting to get a little bit of normalcy. I noticed there are a lot of people that do not wear masks. But yeah, I'm looking at people now. They're putting them on. Like, when I go into actual places, into establishments, some of the people I come in contact with don't have masks on. And I'm like, and they're looking at me like, I went in one place. Orange juice. I went in one place and the guy was like, this is crazy. They got everybody out here wearing masks, and you know it's all a conspiracy, right? Sir. And you know what? You have a right to feel like it's a conspiracy. And I think there's a little bit of wrongdoing in here somewhere. But Corona is very real. And that's it. It's very real. It's hot. McDonald's is consistent. When you have the taste for something, and you go to McDonald's, it's going to be what you had the taste for. So yeah, he was like, it's all a big conspiracy. Pick any number in your head and Google it. And it's going to say that many cases was confirmed today. Okay, so. And, like, you totally have a right to feel like that. But don't try to convince me to feel some other type of way. I'm not taking this mask off. That's what I was thinking the whole time. Like, I'm not taking this mask off, so I don't care what you say. But he went on, and I was just like, mm-hmm. Like, okay. Like I said, I'm not sitting here convincing you it's real. Don't try to convince me. Because you can't. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm going to do my nails today. My poor nails. Mm. One thing I've learned about press-ons, I think I'm now a press-on snob. I used to be able to wear Dollar Tree press-ons. And I was only wearing them for about a week. They would last. I might get a few chips here and there, but for the most part, it was cool. Now all of a sudden, you know what? I know what it is. During quarantine, people couldn't go get their nails done, so they had to get press-ons. I think they started cranking out these press-ons, and the quality just went, it's trash. But I noticed when I spent a little extra money on my press-ons, even $10, $20, $25, they were so much better. They were strong. I had one pack that I wore for 5 weeks, and I could have kept wearing them. They were stronger. So I've said all that to say, I need to get my nails today. I'm going to do them. I need to get some iron today. I need to get some Geritol today. Liquid Geritol works so good for me. I would take it before I went to sleep at night. And I can wake up in the morning feeling energized. And that's what I would do. Spiders on my... Glad I got the window closed. Because I'm looking like I see something moving out the corner of my eye. Yeah, that's a spider. Where you go? Let me stop, because if he jump towards this window, you gonna see me jump. What camera? Y'all know I don't edit these videos. But I'm gonna keep my eye on him. Got my eye on you. And you know what? When I first sat down here, I said, okay, it's kind of nice out. I can open the window. But I didn't. I'd have had a heart attack right now. I hate him doing it for walking back and forth, so I guess he's making a spider web. I'm trying not to eat all of this hash brown. I just like the crunchy outer parts. Now what else is going on? There's new arrivals, restocks of sale items on my website, www.daintybydallas.com. Go check it out. These are on there. These are the pony hoops. My favorite hoops. Because I am not a stallion. I'm a little bitty pony. So, that's why I usually call it the pony hoops. But I love them. They're so lightweight. Fashionable for every day. Anyway, starting this work week. It is Monday. It's Monday the 24th. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. Probably tomorrow. Because I got one more video to put up. I did a Royal Farms video that you should have saw by now. Yeah, you should have saw that one by now because it's already uploaded. I just gotta make a thumbnail for it. I like to make thumbnails for my videos. It's cute. And you know what? I had a in my business class, we had Lala Milan as one of our guest teachers. And she was talking about YouTube, TikTok, IG. She said one thing about YouTube, you should always make thumbnails. I'm thinking, wow. And she broke it down like, since they had this whole algorithm thing, thumbnails make a difference in whether your video even gets suggested when people look up things. Thumbnails make a difference. Never thought that. So, I don't want this video to be too long. Crumbs everywhere. But I just wanted to check in and say good morning. How y'all doing? And that's it. I'm about to get this work day started. And this work week knocked out. That sounds good. If this had a little bit of ice in it, Jesus. Whew. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you for chatting and chilling with me. And I will see you in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't think I had a taste for nothing right now. And I've been eating some of the same thing, so I can't just record a bunch of videos of the same thing. Those KFC wings, Royal Farms. Those KFC wings, though. If you haven't had those KFC wings, get them. They're good. But I will talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Or head over to my main channel. It's Dallas of Diva Designs. That's the channel until I can change the name. I'll put a link down in the description box. Anyway, thank you. See ya.